Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. airBaltic is in big trouble with Airbus A220 airBaltic, a prominent European carrier known for its innovative approach and reliance on a single fleet type, is facing significant challenges with its Airbus A220 aircraft. Here are 10 key points outlining the situation and its implications. 1. Engine reliability issues. The Airbus A220 fleet, powered by Pratt Whitney PW1500G engines, has been plagued by persistent reliability problems. Frequent engine inspections and repairs have disrupted operations, leading to delays and cancellations for airBaltic. 2. Grounded aircraft. A considerable portion of airBaltic's fleet has been grounded due to engine maintenance. With over 40 Airbus A220 aircraft in its fleet, any disruptions have a magnified impact, as the airline operates a single-type fleet strategy. 3. Increased maintenance costs. The ongoing engine issues have significantly increased maintenance costs for airBaltic. The airline has had to allocate additional resources to manage unplanned repairs and ensure operational safety. 4. Impact on operational efficiency. Unscheduled maintenance and frequent grounding of aircraft have affected airBaltic's operational efficiency. Flight schedules have been disrupted, impacting passenger satisfaction and revenue. 5. Dependence on Airbus A220. As the launch customer and largest operator of the Airbus A220, airBaltic's heavy dependence on this aircraft has amplified the impact of the issues. Unlike airlines with mixed fleets, airBaltic lacks the flexibility to substitute alternative aircraft during disruptions. 6. Compensation from Pratt Whitney. airBaltic is reportedly negotiating compensation with Pratt Whitney to offset financial losses incurred due to engine problems. However, the extent and timing of this compensation remain uncertain, adding to the airline's challenges. 7. Passenger dissatisfaction. Frequent delays and cancellations have led to growing dissatisfaction among passengers. Negative reviews and social media feedback highlight the frustration of affected travelers, potentially harming airBaltic's reputation. 8. Diversification plans to mitigate risks. airBaltic is exploring options to diversify its fleet. Discussions about adding different aircraft types, including potential wet leases, are underway to ensure continuity of operations and reduce dependence on the A220. 9. Impact on expansion plans. The ongoing issues have also stalled airBaltic's ambitious expansion plans. The airline's ability to add new routes and increase frequencies has been compromised, affecting its competitiveness in key markets. 10. Long-term strategic adjustments. airBaltic is reviewing its long-term strategy in light of these challenges. While the A220 remains a key part of its future, the airline is likely to push for more robust contractual terms with Airbus and Pratt Whitney to avoid similar situations in the future. Conclusion. The troubles with the Airbus A220 and its Pratt Whitney engines have placed airBaltic in a difficult position. While the airline's commitment to innovation and efficiency remains strong, overcoming these challenges will require strategic adjustments, fleet diversification, and robust negotiations with stakeholders. Passengers and industry observers alike will be watching closely as airBaltic navigates this turbulent period. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.